Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing or a haul, whichever you'd like to call it. So these goodies are from Express. Everything that I selected here, I made sure everything was pretty much transitional. So everything within this box will be able to take you from the office straight to cocktails with your girls or straight to date night with your boo. Some of our offices are laid back, some of our offices are a little bit more conservative. I took that into consideration with all of the pieces that I selected today. I'm gonna start with shoes and accessories. So first and foremost, animal print is just a must when it comes to fall attire. You have to add a nice fall print, right? This is the perfect chic shoe. It's so stylish and you can wear it with so many things. So there are two shoes within this box. I got those fly flats and then I also have some sneakers. Proja, who's wearing sneakers in the workplace? Check it out. The way that these sneakers are going to be styled, I think they'll be a totally chic, fun way to spice up your office wardrobe. Check out these Dolce Vita sneaks. Oh my goodness. When I saw these online, it was like love at first sight. I love a good sneaker and I'm only 5'3", so a little platform, a little upstairs in the back is always a plus to give me a little bit of height. If you find yourself maybe running errands for work, and this is me, I'm always running errands, so this is a really nice shoe, and the way that I am going to pair these, you'll be like, oh, but it's a totally fall, fun, chic, casual, but still dressed up way to wear these shoes. You're gonna see the skirt that I plan on pairing them with. So I said I was going to talk about shoes and accessories first. So those are the two pairs of shoes that I selected, and then as for accessories, I really love bracelets. I love stacking it on. I love a good arm party. This is a bold statement right here, but then we have this little one. So gorgeous, and it's very petite and dainty, but it makes a big statement in my opinion. Add this on to the arm party that you already have in your closet and you're booming. Now on to the clothing pieces. This is gonna be fun. Listen, I'll start off with this pleated skirt. Anytime I'm thinking about the transition from summer to fall, I'm thinking about pleated skirts, and oh my goodness, the color. I call it Bordeaux. Some may call it maroon, but I call it Bordeaux. But how gorgeous with a nice waistband. So chic. Ladies, I'm gonna pair these with sneaks. And some of you guys may be raising an eyebrow at me right now, but sis, trust the process. Trust me. You're gonna say, oh, Broja just gave me a new idea. And you would think that with a pleated skirt like that, with the detailing, it's very fifi lala, very feminine. You would think that you would have to pair that with heels or a nice fancy top. Nope, I'm doing it a skirt and a t-shirt. I love the shirt. It's just gonna look really good with the skirt. Tucked in really nicely, and optional, you can add a belt to it. I think it'll look really cool. Follow my Instagram feed because I'm gonna be posting the looks that I put together. Next up, we have this cardigan, and I love a cardigan. Just the color contrast, like these are all some of my favorite colors. You guys get that? We have that brown and then black and the tan, and then red has, I didn't know it, but I think red is my color. Like, in the past I used to hate wearing red, but now I really gravitate toward it. It's just such a nice rich color. Can't go wrong with it. And I'm also gonna pair this with the pleated skirt. You're probably like, sis, what are you doing? Trust me. Now we have two more items in the box, and I know you guys just see a whole bunch of red. That's right, because it's just red in here. So we have this fabulous sweater, and it feels amazing. Jeez. And it is an oversized sweater with the sleeves. Check it out. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. These two go hand in hand, right? It's a given. Like, it's a perfect pair, perfect match. And lastly, we have these red high waist white leg pants. We do have like the little pleated detail at the top. And check out the back. Super wide leg. Just tie it off with the belt. So yes, I'm wearing this with the red sweater and the animal print flats. If you liked anything you saw today, make sure you head to the description box and shop the links down there, and I also have a great little offer code for you guys, so don't forget to check the description box. Let me know if you have any questions, and again, keep an eye out on my Instagram page so you'll see how I styled these pieces from Express. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you guys nothing but peace and love.